Okay, we're back. Made it Dry Creek. Whoa. There's no way I can do that. So yeah, whoops. As I previewed that we're going to, I'll show you guys what Dry Creek looks like when it's wet. Not safe. What not to do in the rain. And some techniques that I learned from Pops. You're gonna hear my brakes a lot. They're talking a lot of trash today, so you know, that's why they're talking back. I can't make that. Hold on. Turn around. Woo! Gonna go slow through here so I don't get a puddle of mud in my face. You wanna lean back? Bam! First trail done. So when it's muddy and wet, you never want to go fast unless you know you can control it and you know, stuff like that. You also be careful you cornering, and you know, if you're too far leaning one way, you're definitely wiping out. Same with the other way. Look at all that water. Ugh, nasty. Climb up this hill. Road? Nah, we're mountain bikers. Go right around that mud. And so, I'm not sure if you guys watched Seth's Bike Hats. He previously showed a video about, you know, what to do when muddy trails are there. Most people go around it, which, you know, increases the trail. If you've seen this video. And it pretty much expands it. So instead of be like this, it goes like this. Something like this. So when you see stuff like that, you can go through it, wheelie it. Oh, I'm sliding all over the place. Ooh. Ooh. It's gonna be a fun ride. See, I'm not going fast because I don't have any tire traction right now. Look at that. Back wheel's muddy. So yeah, you never want to go around it because, you know, it's more maintenance, stuff like that. And it lightens it and just create a bigger puddle. You can wheelie through it. This is what I did. Keeps the splash out of your face. You can bunny hop it. You need a lot of speed to bunny hop it, especially how big it is too. And then third option, just ride straight through it. You can also slow down if you want. Oh, you can kind of squirrely through here. Probably shouldn't be wearing clips today. You know what? Whatever. So I'm going around that one. Dodge that tree. I'm trying to like make a wheelie. Bam. Woo! Anyway, so you know, we're gonna do some techniques around here. And I know for sure, you know, I don't want to say for sure, I'm probably gonna crash, so bear with me. And so I made another video last night. It's a headset installation video if you have press fit headset, and you know, it's pretty simple, but we'll see. Oh, sliding out. Well, okay, sorry if I'm like quiet. I'm trying to focus now. I don't get all muddy right now. I just started the ride. Oh my god, it's like heaven right here. Imagine if I got paid to race through stuff like this. That was so much fun. I'm crashing a lot, of course, but whatever. Going World Cup someday. So something like that. Just go slow, you ride through it. And I like this one. Alright, I'm gonna show you this one too. Just go straight through it. Cleans off your tires too. So if they're all muddy, just right through it, you get your tires pretty clean. Just like that. We'll go one more time. Okay. And that's how you, bam. Okay, anyways, so now that part's done. My bike's all muddy. Perfect. I should probably put my wallet away, so in the back pocket. Yeah, it's not gonna be anywhere. So I cleaned my chain at work just now, and it's sticking really bad, so I go pedal backwards and it doesn't pedal at all. chain gets caught, it's all bad. So I don't know what's up with that. But anyways, bear with me. So you always want to know, I probably shouldn't be riding with my chain like that, but you always want to know the condition of your bike as you're riding. You want to make sure your brakes are still working. And now I'm skipping links. Not a good idea. You know, I was trying to clean it, trying to put new lube, and now I'm regretting it. Should have done it after the ride. And you know, my lube was kind of clean. No, kind of not clean. Every time I put torque down, it does that. I ran in 10th gear. Also doesn't help that my tires don't have any traction. I ride on the road every day, 5 days a week, not every day. To from work, so it's only on the road. Right on the road with the tires, especially with the knobs, it wears it down pretty quick. So, you know, I kind of knew that going into it, but it's whatever. I didn't Strava. Unacceptable. See if I can Strava real quick. Here's our first trail. We're going to outdoor ride. We're going, okay. Puddle. Let's go. Clip in. Go slow. So like that, it's all muddy. Which means going slow, you're gonna have to pedal a lot more. Another mud. Under there. There's a beach ball. Anyone want a beach ball? I guess I could have gone a little bit quicker through there. Just want to show you guys what to talk about when you go too quick. So here's a puddle. I can't really over that. Slow down. Pedal again. Watch that tree. Oh yeah. See? We gotta be careful. My front tire wanted to go where I wanted it to go. The back tire did not. Safety purposes, I'm not going that way. Let me go through here. Whew. Yeah, so get off this part real quick. Okay. It's actually a nice day, believe it or not. Last week we had like 90-degree days. I was like, what is going on? Well, it started raining again. I was like, what is going on? Let's go through here. There's a puddle, I'm not jumping it. Whatever. Let's roll it. Like that. I was kind of scared jumping that one. Oh, look, a skunk. Do not engage. Let's go this way. Hey John, there's your buddy. Hey, you better run. I'm pedaling, slipping out. Bam. Just like that. So my bike was clean. That was kind of dirty. It's clean from mud anyways. I'll show you guys what it looks like now. And we're not even halfway done yet. It's a water fountain. So this is my bike right now. Looks terrific. And I don't even know what I look like. I'm just gonna not think about it. Bam! Yeah, that'd be a cool action shot. Woo! Tired. Okay. You guys ready again? see if I can lower that down. Oh no, not even worth it. Whatever. Oh, my goggles fogging up. Climb up a hill, you want to raise your C-post, raise your gear, lower your gear. Whatever gets you the highest fog. And then you kind of want to lean back when you pedal, because if you're too far forward, the back tire is going to spin out from under you. I can barely see right now. Coming on the trail. So C-post is up to you when you're on the trail, but when you're doing a lot of descending, you kind of want to lower it. So I'm going fast, I can't see. Woo, woo, woo. That bush is wet. Oh, big puddle. I'm not jumping that. So you gotta know your limits when it's raining. Actually, you should know your limits all the time. So there's a jump that you sometimes take when you're feeling it. Then that's your limit. When you're sometimes feeling it, never jump it when it's raining. This is bad news. Guarantee I'm the only one out here. Only crazy person. Tired. Shorts are wet. I'll be right back, guys. Get back. Sorry, girlfriend cold. Yeah, so I finished the trail just because I don't want to wait the top, get all wet, and that bush is wet, you know. So yeah, it's raining again, or it's still raining. Yeah, I'm actually surprisingly pretty warm, and I don't feel like I'm getting that wet. Oh, let's go this way. Yeah, so yeah, I need full suspension. They don't really have brakes, but you know what? Magura's always got my back. Shout out to Magura. Thank you for sponsoring me. We're running Magura brakes on 3 of my bikes. I only have 3 bikes. Actually, no, I got a downhill bike, but I might have to show my Shimano Z's. Let's go. So let's see how fast I could do this without crashing. I'll let you do it here. Oh, that's cool. Hut. That was cool. I felt like a G. A G, thanks. Dude. Bet. No, just kidding. My favorite trail always is. I like to bunny hop into here. Not much bet. Oh my god. Go around that one. Oh yeah. But you're home. Go around that one. Even though I said don't go around them. Ooh. I don't like this song. Wish I could change it. I don't know what it is. Actually might be Tupac. I like Tupac. do a lot of wheeling and pulling up at least. Watch this. Ooh. Oh, no pedal game. Like that. Okay, let's pedal again. Yeah. That's a. Oh, there's gonna be a puddle right here. Whoa. Surprised I rode out that one. Almost done. Just gonna. I'm really out of shape. That's why I'm breathing a lot. I mean, I'm breathing a lot, but you know, breathing pretty hard. And that's it. No more rain trails. I'm done. Out of breath. Woo! Dropper doesn't work. There we go. So cable's too tight. Cable's too tight on the dropper. It won't work. Yeah, I don't know why. Actually, no, it's too tight. It's pulling the actuation. So the percentage of actuation is cable, right? The tighter it gets, it's pulling it. So then it starts to activate it. You know how that works, right? Have I told you guys about my hardtail? This is my beater. It will be my beater once I complete the other hardtail. Anyways, this hardtail is Giant ATX entry-level bike, guys. Kid you not. It's a $400 bike complete. I put a lot of aftermarket parts on it. Only thing stock on it is the frame. I guess the saddle, but I got a new saddle coming soon. Upgraded the forks from SR Suntour to Marzocchi 320s, which are pretty nice. Dude, these forks feel like a glove. Make it soft. I don't have a squeeze for that one. Let me get my gears looked at. Yeah. There's Marzocchi 324. Got a Zonic Outlaw wheels. It's pretty nice. Let's see. Got an XTR cassette with the SLX group set. Thank you for that. You know who you gave it. You know, gave it to me. Magura brakes, 4-piston front, 2-piston rear. The Zonic stem, ODI grips and bars. I can't breathe. Woo! Oh, it's raining. It's pouring. Oh man, snoring. I have five. Let's see, 2, 3, 4. Got 5 different multi-tools on this bike. You guys want a video later of me showing you them? I do that. Anyways, first multi-tool, actually my favorite. I just like where it is and all that stuff. Is my 1-Up EDC tool. Goes right in the stem. That's my tool. So pull it out. It's actually pretty decent size too. Okay, going home. See, I've been going home. So the EDC tool is about this big. This big? I don't know, something like that. Then I have my Industry 9 matchsticks. Goes in the front axle. They only have it for Rock Shox and Fox right now, but with Fox buying Marzocchi, they use the same thread pitch, so I was able to get that to work and a Marzocchi port, which is nice. Now another one I have is a giant Pro Weight bottle cage, and I don't I'm not supposed to go. Bet. So I had the giant Pro Wave bottle cage, which is pretty cool. It basic bottle cage, but the middle of it, in the middle of it is a tire lever, but it's got a ratchet on the other side, it's like a wrench. It's got 6 different fittings. You put it on the wrench, and you can pretty much get your torque that way. Another one I have is called Fix It Sticks. Now it's underneath the bottle cage. Series of sticks, so it looks like this kind of, besides my pinky. You get 4 different ends, and they fit into each other, so you get your levers. It's like a kind of like a T-handle. The last one I have is the Olin multi-tool, right in my bottom bracket. So that's all 5. I actually still never had to use it. I've had EDC forever, maybe a good 3 months-ish. Let's see. I guess I could cross right here, huh? I had the EDC forever. Then I had the, what was next? The Pro Wave bottle cage and the matchstick, or the Fix It Stick. Then I had the i9 matchstick. Then I got the Olin multi-tool. And I've also went to Sea Otter during in April, so I also rode this bike around. You might have seen it, might have not. Don't know if you went to Sea Otter. I need to get home quicker. I'm tired. I wonder what's for dinner. Oh, garlic. I'm about to eat that person's house. Anyway, so yeah, I've had 5 multi-tools. Always looking for more. I know Toe Peak makes bar end plugs. I was like, that sounds pretty cool. But I hit my bars on everything. So for bar ends, I just run aluminum ODI bar ends. So, you know, they're pretty cool, I think. But I've also seen. Ooh, what other ones have I seen? That's a good question. You know what? I'll get back to you guys on that one. Oh, I even have a dropper seat post on the car, ATX, as you can tell by the lever and me talking about it previously. The Marzocchi transfer, which is pretty much the same as a Fox transfer. So here, look, I gotta show you something about the Fox and Marzocchi lineup, okay? So you know Fox is the highest end with the Cashman coating, everything. Then they had the Fox Performance. Well, the Marzocchi forks are in between the Fox Cashman and the Fox Performance. So they're in between there, and people don't really know that. And then people's like, oh, that's really cool. So, you know, and Marzocchi's want to sponsor me? Not just kidding. No, not kidding. But yeah. So the Marzocchi lineup is in between those the Cashman's and then the factory or the Performance, which I didn't know. Then, but all the seat posts have all the same internals. So the Fox transfer, not the Cashman coating, but the Performance one, is the same thing as the Marzocchi transfer one. I believe they're the same price. Nothing special about them, except one has Fox on it, one has Marzocchi. So really, I could be running a Fox transfer on here, and people are like, oh, that's a Fox transfer. Yeah. So you know, people don't really know the difference between Fox and Marzocchi. People never really heard of Marzocchi until I guess Marzocchi's coming back, but I can't wait to get my Marzocchi Sport. I'll be getting Bomber Z1s. I'm gonna go on my full suspension dream build, so that would be pretty cool. And then actually, so for Sea Otter, check this out. I went Saturday, Sunday, and Friday, Saturday, Fox has the giveaways for forks and stuff like that. And then, so this year they had the Fox and the Marzocchi fork giveaway. So the person who won before me won a pair of Fox 36s with the factory orange lowers, Cashman coating, and all that stuff. And then I actually got picked with my number. I ended up winning the Marzocchi Bomber 58, which is like a Fox 40 pretty much. So what's nice about the Bomber 58 is I've heard that some of the Fox guys, they actually use the Marzocchi internals in their forks, and the Bomber 58s are so easy to adjust. And I'll show you guys that later. But yeah, so honestly, I was thinking about selling those forks, but since I won them and like a giveaway, I was like, I'll keep them for a while. So as of now, I have 3 pairs of forks that we'll be selling pretty shortly. The first one being a Marzocchi 380, it still has uncut steer. The next would be the Marzocchi 350. It has about 5 rides on it. It came off a different bike, so the steer is kind of short. I'll have to measure that one out for you guys. And then I have a Marzocchi 320. So on this one, I am running 320s, but the 320s I'm selling is I tried adjusting the travel from 100 to 120, but I couldn't adjust it, and I called Fox because since they own Marzocchi, they didn't know how to adjust their fork. I was like, okay, that's shady. I'm a wheelie out of this one, watch. I'm just kidding. Oh, that's deep. Yeah, so Fox didn't know how to adjust their fork. I was like, okay, thanks. So what's pretty much wrong with that one is the dampening system. I put it in wrong, so all I got to do is pretty much take it out, like rotate it until I get the right spot, and then the lockout will work again. So it's kind of easy fix. You just take off the air side, take off the lockout side, and then just pull that out, take the cartridge out, and you just kind of flip it around. Make sure you keep the oils inside the stanchions though, or the lowers. And then, but before you work on any fork, you always want to take the air out, because stuff can happen. And then yeah, so that's pretty much it today, guys. I will see you again pretty shortly. Thanks for watching the video. I want to thank GoPro, Magura, Zonic for being sponsors, and I'll see you guys later. See ya.